Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem electric water heater, power element and reset button troubleshooting tips. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Go to your home electrical panel, then check if the water heater breaker has tripped. If it has, turn it off and then on again. Wait 30 to 60 minutes and check if the water gets hot. Second one is reset the water heater. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker, then remove the upper access panel. Plug back the isolation, then press the red reset button until it clicks. Then put the insulation and pack back. Then turn the power on and wait about 1 hour. Third one is adjust the thermostat. Turn off the power, then open the thermostat access panel. Set the thermostat to 120 degree Fahrenheit, then close the panel. Turn the power on and check the hot water. Fourth one is replace the heating element. Turn off the power, then drain some water from the tank. Test the heating element with the multimeter. Replace the heating element if it is faulty. Then fill the tank with water before turning the power on. Fifth one is flush the tank. Turn off the power, connect a garden hose to the drain valve. Then open the valve and drain the tank until the water runs clear. Then close the valve and release the tank, then turn the power on. Thanks for watching.